So today I just wanted to quickly show you how I've been using iBridge Academy while planning some of my science lessons and creating educational content. I'm trying to become a little more independent with my lesson planning, and this is one of the websites I've been using. Because I'm a science teacher, I use the Science Boost. I will show you today. Currently, I'm in the free tier membership, but they have quite a lot of resources available. So when they have this little store icon next to them, it means that it is on the free tier. So one thing I really like is that each lesson gives you a little short description. It tells you approximately how long the lessons should take. It and indicates the age or grade level it is designed for. So this is one that we can look at a little bit today. Um, it's you can see it's colorful and interactive, and then it also provides you with like useful links and even includes resources like BBC Bite Size, word wall activities for a little brain break, or to test the content that you just used in class, and also links to videos. There are also review slides that you could use as an exit ticket or quick recap at the end of your lesson. And I actually recently used some of the chemistry content while putting together a lesson on naming salts formed during neutralization reactions. I'll leave a link to that lesson in the description below if you'd like to see the finished video and how I adapted the content into my own teaching style. Overall, I think Average Academy is really a useful resource if you're looking for lesson ideas, revision activities, or just need some help to plan a lesson a little bit more quickly. So, whether you are a teacher, tutor, or even a parent helping with revision, I think this is a really useful resource to have.